Oh, here we go, we'll go for a rotch. Look right, oh. Well, we might as well bring camera with us today to walk. Since we're on the island of Walney, come for a deeks about to see what's about. To be fair, that big building over there is a BA Systems building nuclear subs. Is that what's killed all these boats? Because there's many of them. Oh, one guy's off out, look. That big old thing. Well, might as well bring this camera out for a dirt walk. Might as well. Sun's out shining. And I'm on an island. On a windy day. In the sunshine. See what's crack. High tide. Meant to be high till 20 past, it's about 10 past. This old sunken thing. Just not allowing my work on. Look at that. We're sinking, Captain, we're sinking. But no, we'll go for a stroll down the island. See what boats are about. Imagine living in one of them houses. They either won't be cheap, will not be cheap. Up to the coast over there, look, in the hills. I've been for a mission round the Lake District today. Many places. Obviously I would have liked to film more, but I've got to walk. Sorry about the sun. I'm trying to block it with my big head. Well, here's look, another yan. Rusted where? In water. How many more? Oh, sky, look. Can't even see the screen with the sun. Another yan tied on. Anchored twice. Tied to rock, look. Rock holding it on for dear life. Mental. Out Rubby Coast goes to the ocean, God no. We'll just tie boats to it and pull it away. These. Like I say, I'm going to do these little videos as well as full of water. There'll be a gunner and all soon. Boarded up windows. Here's another yan gone. There's a good few that I let. Aye. Yeah, there seems to be a good few boats that have sunk. I'll show you me sunrise from this morning on the way to work. I would have liked to take more pictures, but too busy walking. So. Look at this for a float. Oh, double spin. It's a bottle of what? Empty bottle of screen wash, look. Tight tip rope. Won't lose it. Really, a bottle of, what is it? Bottle of Frosty Jacks or something. It's a blue bottle. Look at that. There's all sorts around here to keep the float. So I've got half an hour unpaid pay, so I might as well use it to my advantage. When you don't get paid for half an hour, you might as well do something with it. When you're in a place like this, like I say, big building over there, BAE Systems, nuclear submarines, Kia Starmer, frick, was up here not long ago. To give it the royal status. Thought the kings are royal, not him. The hell was it? Come and look at his Belgium Rose gone and all. Belgium Rose is a singer, she's a gunner. There's quite a few boats along here. just underwater. Like I say, we're just working a bit. I want to do these little videos on my breaks and stuff. I want to keep videos rolling. I want to be out in the lakes, on the fells this weekend. Sorry about any sunshine. I'm not sorry, because it's good to be sunny, isn't it? Could be fishing down and we wouldn't be looking at this. So let's not get upset about a bit of sun. Look, here's one belly up. This whole thing over here, look, we'll get to it. Just 5-minute videos. Well, just hour. Driving down with hazards on. To realise. And head back up. It's a bit deflated. Over here, and I've gone over there. And over there. Right. I'll walk backwards a minute for the wind. But I'm off. I'll see if I see anything else up where I am.